Our learning target in math is I can take numbers apart so that I can subtract. So Mrs. Miller taught you guys about our friend Linus the Minus. She taught you guys about him yesterday. And this is kind of what he looks like. He's got his little mask over his eyes because he's stealing. He's taking away. Now, in order to take away, your bigger number always has to go first because you can't take something away from something that's not there. For example, if I had 1 and wanted to take away 3, okay, my problem is 1 minus 3. Well, I need to be able to take 3. Can I take 3 from 1? No. So if I had it this way and I did 3 minus 1, here's 3, I want to take 1 away, I can do that. The bigger number always has to go first, okay? We just need to remember that you always have to put the bigger number first, okay? So remember, I'm going to read the anchor chart about Linus the Minus one more time to you guys, okay? Linus the Minus is a naughty young lad, always taking away. He is oh so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He makes a big difference, but he'll never confess. So you should always end up with a smaller number when you're done with your subtraction problems. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to put my little skulls out again. Okay. Okay. And like I said, today we're only going to take away 1 from each of these. So I'm going to just write 1 in. I also don't want it to get confusing because we need to know we're taking 1 away from these. So right here I have 1, 2, 3, 3, and I'm taking away 1 because Linus the Minus steals. So if he steals this 1, I then went from 3 to 1, 2, okay? So let's try it again. If I have 1, 2 here and Linus the Minus steals 1, then we're left with 1, okay? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4 here and Linus the Minus steals 1, we're then left with 1, 2, 3, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Linus the Minus steals 1, and we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So I'm going to do that one more time. We're going to do just random numbers here. Okay, so we'll start with and again, like I said, your bigger number always, always, always needs to go first, okay? So I'm going to look at both of my numbers. Is 4 bigger than 1? Yes, so 4 would go in the first spot because we're taking 1 away from the 4, okay? Is 3 bigger than 1? Yes, so 3 would go in the first spot because we're taking the smaller number away from the bigger number, okay? The bigger number always goes first. It's kind of like if you're the oldest, you like to say you get to go first, right? The bigger one goes first. If you're the oldest or you're the biggest, you get to go first because you know the best, right? Or you know more. We just need to remember, bigger goes first, okay? And so we're going to do it here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Linus the Minus is he steals 1. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, okay? And Linus the Minus is stealing 1. So 3 minus 1, he stole it, equals 2. All right, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, Linus the Minus is stealing 1. So 5 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay? So today in Seesaw, you guys are going to do the same thing. Make sure you always, always, always put your bigger number first, okay? And then we're only subtracting 1 today, okay? So bigger number first to get your answer. Whatever number minus 1 equals the new number, all right? Have fun today, guys.